In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Asana password if you're locked out or simply want to update your credentials. This quick walkthrough will get you back into your account safely and smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Asana login page. You can get there by visiting the Asana website and selecting the login option, which takes you right to the sign-in screen, but this is the starting point for every password reset. On the login screen, look just below the fields where you'd normally enter your email and password. You'll see a link that says "Forgot your password." Click that link. It's specifically designed for situations like this and will guide you through the secure reset flow. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Asana account. Type it in carefully and select Reset Password. Double check for typos before you submit. An extra moment here can save you time later. If you typically sign in with a third-party option like Google or a company single sign-on, remember this process applies to accounts that use a password with Asana directly. Now open your email inbox and look for a message from Asana with the subject, "Reset your Asana password." It usually arrives within a minute or two. If it doesn't show up, give it a few more minutes, then check your spam or junk folder. You can also search your inbox for Asana or the subject line to find it quickly. If you still don't see it, make sure you entered the correct email address on the reset page and consider requesting the reset again. Always verify the email is genuinely from Asana before clicking any links. When you open the email, click the password reset link. This link is time sensitive for security, so it's best to use it as soon as you receive it. You'll be taken to a secure page where you can create a new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a longer passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to save your new password there. Finally, select Update Password to confirm the change. You should see a confirmation message and you'll be prompted to sign in again with your new password. That's it, you're back in. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider keeping your account secure by reviewing your sign-in details from time to time and storing your credentials safely.